You might balk at the graphics chip from last year and the less-than-current Skylake processor on its spec sheet, but the Surface Studio keeps up with other all-in-one machines. Thanks to its high-end GPU, this desktop pulls well ahead of the XPS 27AIO and iMac with 5K Retina screen with a Firestrike score that's nearly 4 times higher. Unfortunately, the Studio's processing power doesn't prove to be impressive, and its more CPU-intensive benchmark scores lag behind. Benchmarks aside, this desktop knows how to put in work. Microsoft's AIO never buckled, even as we loaded up dozens of tabs on 2 web browsers, a separate Google Music streaming app, Slack, Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator all at the same time. Even Lightroom, which usually grinds gaming laptops to a halt, ran smoothly on the Studio as we processed images for this review. We also played a fair number of Overwatch matches at the Surface Studio's full-screen resolution with ultra settings without issue. During our entire time with the device, we didn't encounter any graphical performance issues that would have required the latest NVIDIA graphics. The most impressive thing about the Surface Studio's performance is how quickly everything loaded on it. Rather than being equipped with a traditional SSD or hard drive, Microsoft used Intel's rapid storage technology to intrinsically tie a 2 TB spinning drive to 128 GB of flash memory. In this setup, the hard drive does all the heavy lifting of storing all your files. Meanwhile, a smaller segment of your data is compartmentalized onto the SSD if it has been associated with a commonly used program or service. Although this system doesn't allow you to directly access the faster storage solution, we never felt like we had to, as files loaded seamlessly and quickly the whole time.